Hi guys, lakad na kami papunta ng Tiger Milk Tea. Nag-lunch kami sa Shaburi. So, busog na busog pa kami and dessert namin is Tiger Milk Tea and mamaya punta kami ng Yifang para sa isa na namang episode ng It's a Battle. So, abangan niya, okay? Lakad-lakad muna kami kasi sobrang namin nakain. Hi Beans!
Busog pa.
Busog pa. Kasama namin si Walter and Lucky. Happy New Year! Saka guys, ano?
Ano ba siya labo?
Saka Mansari nila ngayon. Mansari nila ngayon. Happy Mansari. Ding, 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 ding! Dito na kami sa pila ng Tiger Sugar. So, dito kami sa tapat ng Typo. Tapos, medyo mahaba na rin yung pila. So, mag-iikot lang muna si Brini saka si Bianca habang pipila ako at si Lucky at baka pati si Walter. So, tingnan natin, no? Tiger Sugar ba o Yifang? Ano yung mas masarap sa kanilang dalawa? Hello guys, 20 minutes na nakaraan. Dito pa rin kami sa may B6 entrance banda. Nakapila na si Waltz. Umupo muna ako kasi busog na busog pa ako. Tapos parang nakakapagod maghintay. So bumili muna ako ng tubig dito sa may Luna para makatambay man lang ako sandali. So we'll update you. Pero mamaya okay na yan. Naka-order na rin. Sobrang busy nila. So 600 for 5 cups. Dito na kami, papunta na kami sa Yifang. Nakakuha na namin yung mga order namin sa Tiger. Tapos pinauna na namin dito si Walter sa si Lucky para makapila na sila dito sa Tiger. So we'll try to order the same din. Ito yung pila. Simula dito sa kanto na to sa Lane T. So yun tayo. Yan yung Yifang. Ito. So yung Yifang nasa Lane T. It's just across Mango Tree. And then that's Yifang. So yung pila mga 4 times shorter than Tiger Sugar. So medyo mas manageable siya. Parang nawala na rin yung hype. Pero we'll try the almost similar drink that they have to the brown sugar boba. Or we can compare. So guys, dito na kami sa Yifang. So naka-order na kami. And Bianca will explain kung ano yung order namin.
Okay, so try namin yung brown sugar milk nila. Yifang comes with 2 sizes. Ang kinuha namin yung large, which is 140 pesos. Tapos kahit na brown sugar milk, meron silang level of sweetness. So, I asked for the recommended. Ang sabi nila, 50 to 80%.
How do you like it, Beans? Good? Is it yummy?
Yes.
What's that?
Tiger milk tea.
Tiger milk tea.
Did you my present side?
Yeah. Ano meron pa?
Milk, brown sugar, milk tea.
Okay, you like it?
Yes.
Yes. Alright, thank you.
So, si Tiger, yung gusto sa kanya, yung boba niya, sobrang chewy, tapos lasang-lasa yung brown sugar, aside dun sa brown sugar na dinidrizzle nila sa cup. Tapos pag may creamy, sobrang creamy nung milk.
So, gusto ko yung pagka-creamy niya because of the creaminess. And lasang-lasa mo talaga yung brown sugar, which is very good. So, it's worth, for me, it's worth the 1 hour and 20 minutes wait from lining up to ordering and everything.
Okay, so si Yifang, yung brown sugar milk niya, merong level of sweetness. So, yun nabigay sa amin 80%. And for me, I find it too sweet. Also, yung pearls niya, maliliit lang siya pearls. Hindi, unlike kay Tiger na boba na malalaki. It's medyo slimy yung feeling ng pearls kasi siguro nakahalo na yung brown sugar dun sa pearls.
Okay, so guys, first taste of Yifang's brown sugar pearl. I believe so. Brown sugar pearl milk. Okay, so wala siyang kahit anong tea. It's at 80%. For me, yung sweetness niya as a notch higher than Tiger. So medyo mas matamis talaga siya. So don't expect it to be as sweet as Tiger. Flavor-wise, I like the milk. Okay, it's good. But the pearl is quite slimy. So medyo malagkit siya, and particular ako with texture. So parang medyo extra for when it comes to the pearls. Ito na yung pagtatapos ng Eat Sa Battle for Yifang and Tiger Sugar. So baby, what are your thoughts?
For me, kahit na mahaba yung waiting time to order and to wait for your order, I go for Tiger Sugar. It's definitely worth it and worth your money.
Okay, so sa akin din, I think overall, the milk taste, the brown sugar, the boba and everything, the sweetness, the it factor, I think I have to go for Tiger Sugar. Okay, so ang nanalo sa Eat Sa Battle namin today ay
Tiger Sugar.
Okay, so if you like this video, please do give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Abangan nyo yung mga susunod pa naming Eat Sa Battle. Thank you, bye-bye!